from the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for The Debate.
Welcome back. You're watching The Debate in an already polarized and a violent campaign. Mamata Banerjee's parliamentarians calling for arms has raised questions if there's a deliberate attempt to keep Bengal on the boil. Controversial comments, one after the other. Listen in and then we debate.
An attack on the convoy of BJP National President JP Nadda. Deadly violence in the city of Siliguri, which claimed the life of 50-year-old BJP worker Ulen Roy. BJP workers thrashed in broad daylight at a rally held by BJP's newest entrant, Shuvendu Adhikari. The battleground of West Bengal has seen violence, bloodshed and political murders in the past few months. The fight for Bengal is getting intense, with the BJP giving a tough challenge to Mamata in the poll-bound state.
देखिए जो जन सैलाब आगे और पीछे आपके कैमरामैन पीछे भी दिखाए जरा तो लोग आए हैं वो बताता है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस की उल्टी गिनती शुरू हो चुकी है और यहाँ पर मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में 200 से ज्यादा सीटों के साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार
As the BJP leads an aggressive campaign, the TMC seems to be making a violent threat in an already polarized campaign.
अब ये चुनाव के पहले ये बाहरी वर्गीय लोग आने लगा और भी आएगा। हमारे पास खबर है कि वर्गीय लोग दूसरे वर्गीय को भी मना रहे हैं, जिसके पास चलता है ठोक दो। ये राजनीति जो कर रहे हैं, जो केंद्रीय मंत्री बोलते हैं गोली मारो साले को, ये गोली मारो सालों को, उसका गुंडे लोग आएगा, हथियार लेके आएगा, यहाँ घुसेगा वहाँ घुसेगा। हम लोग भी नज़रअंदाज कर रहे हैं। तो बंगाल की जनता का बोलो ये बाहरी वर्गीय लोग का बात मत सुने, और अगर बंगाल जो सुख और चैन में है अभी, यहाँ जो शांति और अमन जो बरकरार है, इसको अगर कोई बिगड़ने का कोशिश करेगा तो इसके लिए जो भी कदम उठाने पड़ेगा।
Despite a string of violent face-offs under the TMC government, Mamata has drawn a parallel with the United States, comparing BJP cadre to Trump supporters.
পুরো ভারতবর্ষ ভেঙে পড়েছে। একবার করলো নোটবন্দি, আর একবার কোভিডে হলাম আমরা গৃহবন্দী, এরপরে করবে জেলবন্দি, তারপর ভারতবর্ষটাকেই বন্দি করে রেখে দেবে। যেমন ট্রাম্প করছে দেখছেন না, হেরে গিয়েও বলছে না আমি জিতেছি, তো ওরাও তাই হেরে গিয়েও বলবে না আমি জিতেছি, হাম জিতা হ্যায়। কোনো পার্থক্য নাই, একই জিনিস, এপিট আর ওপিট কোয়েনের।
As the election challenge nears, who is provoking West Bengal? Let's debate.
Joining us on the debate at 10 p.m. Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP, Tathagata Roy, former governor of Tripura and Mizoram, live from Kolkata, Raki Mitra, political analyst, also live from Kolkata this evening with Shishir Bajoria, convener, election committee of the BJP. Joining him will be barrister Kabir Shankar Bose, who's a Supreme Court lawyer, versus Subir Bhomik, who's a senior journalist, live from Kolkata this evening. Joydeep Mukherjee, political analyst leading towards the Trinamool Congress, joining us also live from Bengal. Tausif Ahmad Khan, advocate and political analyst from Kolkata this evening, along with Shubham Ganguly, a political analyst leaning towards the Trinamool, and Atikur Rahman, who's a scholar, live from Mumbai this evening. And Tathagata Roy can open the debate with Subir Bhomik. Tathagata Roy, you know, it's already been a very violent campaign. Many lives have been lost. And it's an irony today that Mamata Banerjee speaks about what happened at the Capitol Hill when I look back at all the incidents of violence in Bengal even before the BJP made a renewed push in Bengal. It's an irony that we're, sort of drawing that comparison. And today when a parliamentarian says that we are ready to take all steps to stop these outsiders, just as Sheikh Mujib said every Bengali before Bangladesh was created they're against, he said we should be prepared. We do not want to use weapons, but the day Bengal picks up weapons, the entire nation will shake. So it is obvious. It's a violent threat. It's a violent threat in an already violent atmosphere. Tathagata Roy, and then Mr. Bhowmick can respond.
Yes. First thing, let me take the analogy of the raid on Capitol Hill in Washington. It's just plain baloney. To use their own language, there is no similarity. It has got nothing. One has got nothing to do with the other. It's just that she's mouthing some inanities because they happened at the same time. Number one. Number two is, I happen to know the person who said these things, namely Mr. What is Bulu's bhalo naam? Sukhendu Shekhar Roy.
Sukhendu Shekhar Roy.
Generally known as Bulu Babu.
Sukhendu Shekhar Roy.
Sukhendu Shekhar Roy. Sukhendu Shekhar Roy. Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, I happen to know, is a lawyer. Now, therefore, I take it that he knows the Indian Penal Code fairly well. He knows what is an offence, what is a cognizable offence, what is a bailable offence, etc. So, therefore, what he has said, that some outsiders, quote unquote outsiders have convened in a hotel in Rajarhat and they are conspiring. Leave the rest out. The important thing is the word outsider. Who is an outsider? Is Sukhendu Shekhar Roy alleging that people who are representing BJP and coming from states like UP, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, they are outsiders? I thought this is the Republic of India where all citizens have a right to be in any part of India without let or hindrance, subject of course to certain restrictions in very specific cases. So what is Mr. Sukhendu Shekhar Roy talking about? He is either just trying to please his, because his party is one about which a departed left leader had said that there is only one post and the rest are lampposts.
Controversial comment.
So the lampposts are trying to
controversial comment.
Of course.
Avoidable comment.
I am here to participate in the controversy. No, not at all avoidable. This is, I am here to participate in a non-controversy.
I saw a few people nodding their heads when you made that comment.
Here. Of course.
Oh, it's a very controversial comment. I want Mr. Bhowmick to respond. I want Mr. Bhowmick to respond to that. I want Mr. Bhowmick to come in.
Of course it is controversial and I'm trying to provoke the controversy. There's nothing wrong. But let me finish. Just 1 second, let me finish. So, I take it that Mr. Sukhendu Shekhar Roy knows the law and he is just trying to please his. And the law says, what does the law say? The law says what Mr. Sukhendu Shekhar Roy are classed as
avoidable
offences. Under section 121 IPC.
Mr. Bhowmick is not pleased, he wants to come in.
Section 121 IPC, that is the law of the land. I am talking of the law of the land. There is no controversy about the law of the land.
I want to respond
the law of the land says 121 IPC
He's talking about the commentary.
and 153A IPC. The promoting enmity between different parties, different people from different parts of India.
Mr. Bhowmick is very, very patiently listening into you.
Government of India.
Or I don't know whether his frame is frozen.
Precisely what this gentleman Sukhendu Shekhar Roy has try to do. He has either done it knowingly or unknowingly. If he has done it knowingly,
he is not
it is
conceding.
merely to please his. If it is done unknowingly, excuse. In ignorance of the law
Not
is never
required.
an excuse.
Mr. Tathagata Roy, not required. Not required. Okay, let Mr. Bhowmick respond.
What is not required? What is not required? Is someone going to tell me what is required of me to talk?
Can I come in
Yeah,
there?
Mr. Bhawmik is responding to you, sir.
Okay. I'm actually very worried with these kind
Yes,
of
yes,
rhetoric
Mr. Bhawmik.
flying all over. You know, especially when somebody says that, this the insider-outsider thing, as well as the threat to take up arms. You know, we are the 1971 generation. We went to sort of college in 1971, and everybody who is here and knows what 71 means for Bengal would be worried. Worried because I have a feeling, I have a hunch, very strong hunch, that Bengal is heading for, the same kind of violence which the state witnessed in 1970-71 when it turned out to be a free-for-all, Naxalites fighting with CPM and then Congress coming in and hitting both. That kind of situation. I'm extremely worried because I'm not willing to get, you put me on the other side of the fence. I'm actually an independent analyst, okay? I'm not a Trinamool supporter. I'm not a BJP supporter.
Yes, you
and
are.
I'm not a politician. But I am telling you three things. Let me actually come very quickly. Number one, this rhetoric. Now, it may be to keep the flock together. It may be to boost the moral, but it's a very wrong way of doing it. So the point is, maybe people may say eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth, but that actually means violence. So the point I'm trying to make here is, this sounds like gunpowder. So Bengal, the memories of 70, 71, and we are the 71 generation. We know what it is all about. So I can smell the danger in the air. That's number one. Number two, generally you witness violence when a particular party sort of, splits open, tends to break up. And ex-comrades, when they become enemies, they fight each other much more dangerously. We're seeing how this is turning out to be after Shubhendu Adhikari has left TMC and gone to BJP, So this is aggravating the whole issue because these guys know each other. They exactly know what they're talking about. They're leveling all kinds of allegations, and the intensity of the confrontation is going to increase. So bad days for Bengal, actually, and that worries me because we have children. We don't want this place to become another battleground like 71.
Absolutely.
When you will find people running away from Bengal, parents sending out their children away to other states because of the worsening law and order, and then the last point that I'll make, which is very, very important.
I think Shubham,
and I've said this before, when the political competition gets tougher, violence increases in Bengal. And this time, the political competition is actually getting tougher. So that actually maybe, it's fine to be having competitive politics. It's no good when, you don't have an opposition. But the point here is that this is all pointing towards a violent confrontation, which worries me as someone who lives in Bengal.
Shubham Ganguly is responding, Mr. Bhawmik. Shubham Ganguly and Sanju Verma. Shubham, and then Sanju can respond to you.
Yeah, I want to respond to
Isn't
Mr.
it an attempt to
Tatagata Roy
create a regional battle?
and want to make
You're
it
trying to
very
create regional
clear that
battle
the
lines.
people- Arnab, let me finish on this point.
No, I haven't completed my question. Brother, hear my question.
This point that no person
Niranjan,
in
my name is
Bengal
Niranjan. Arnab will be back tomorrow.
Will take anything from a person like Mr. Tatagata Roy.
I'm just filling in for Arnab.
person
Hear me out,
in
hear me
Bengal
out, hear me out, hear me out.
from Mr.
Hear me out, my
Tatagata Roy,
friend.
a person
1 second.
who is a person.
I was talking about the regional battle
no,
lines. Attempt to create regional battle lines. Attempt to create regional battle lines and call for bloodshed, which Bengal has seen enough.
Mr. Tatagata Roy
with
was
the left
citing
and then
section
Trinamool.
153. I am citing.
It's almost as if the political baited is being passed.
A of the Constitution of the Fundamental Rights, which clearly
Sanju,
says
Sanju.
that we,
Sanju
as
will
Indian
respond to you.
citizens, should fight, should preserve our culture,
Yes,
our heritage,
Niranjan.
our everything.
Yeah.
And I ensure you that the people of Bengal will work to their very last to withstand these outsiders who are trying to spread riots in Bengal, who are trying to disrupt the legal functioning of Bengal,
I want to come
who are
in now,
bringing in outside
Niranjan,
culture
please.
into Bengal with everything they have. And I want to respond to Mr. Tatagata Roy. Mr. Tatagata Roy, no person in Bengal will take anything from you. You, like a person who says that Bengali boys who go out of the
I am
state
not
to work
asking
go
you to
only to
take
sweep the
anything.
roads, and
I am
Bengali
asking
girls
you to look
and
at the
Bengali girls
Constitution.
who go out of the
Any person-
state only
any
dance
person
in
who has
bars.
read the Constitution
You only dance in
would
bars, and
know
you are talking about an
that
outsider
every
issue.
Indian
And let me
citizen
tell you,
has a
sir.
right
Let
to
me
be
tell you,
in any
sir.
part of
You
India.
blocked me on Twitter for
A
asking you a
Maharashtrian in
question.
Bengal or a Bengali
You blocked
in
me on Twitter for
Maharashtra.
asking you a
They are
question.
not outsiders.
I may
They
quote
are
a
not
famous saying
outsiders.
that when oppression becomes a norm, when oppression becomes a norm, revolution becomes a right. If these people come to spread riots in Bengal like they did in Muzaffarnagar,
Oh,
like
you
they
are
did in
talking
Gujarat in
Marxist
2002,
now.
the people
You are
of
talking
Bengal will
Marxist
stop
now.
them with
That is
everything they
wonderful.
have. If these
Okay.
people come to
Answer a
Bengal
very
to
simple
endanger
question.
the safety of
Answer
our
a very
women,
simple
like
question.
the BJP leaders
Is
did
a
in Hathras,
citizen of
like
India
they did in
from another
Balrampur,
part of
like they did
India
with
an
Asifa,
outsider in
the
West
people
Bengal
of
or
Bengal
not an
will work
outsider
to
in
their
West
very
Bengal?
Okay, Sanju Verma is coming in. Sanju Verma.
Simple
that the
question.
Bengali people stop
Answer
the
this
BJP
very simple
and the
question.
BJP
Yeah.
doesn't enter in Bengal.
Can I
assure you
please
that.
come
And you
in?
have no right to speak in Bengal.
Niranjan,
When you
what is
insult
this?
the
May I
very
please
people,
come in on the
The very
screen?
people of Bengal, the very boys and girls of Bengal, the very
You know,
youth of
these two
Bengal,
people have
and say that
been
they go to
Yes,
go
Sanju
on
Verma,
the
Sanju.
non-stop. Can I come
Yeah, you're
in
on the
now?
screen. Go on.
They sweep roads.
Sanju Verma and Tausif will respond to you.
Dance in bars.
Joy the,
Niranjan,
okay,
now please.
great intervention, Shubham. Strong intervention, Shubham. Sanju Verma is coming in.
Okay,
Sanju
Shubham.
Verma is coming in. Strong
Okay.
intervention, great, fantastic.
Okay.
Sanju Verma is coming in.
Yes,
Tathagata Roy, pull back, pull back. It's a long debate. You have 40 minutes more.
Thank you,
Pull
thank you.
back. You have 40 minutes more. Conserve energy. Tathagata Roy, sir, pull back. Okay,
Thank you.
Sanju, go ahead.
Okay, let me come in, Niranjan. Yeah, thank you. You know, I just want to say one thing. I'll start with this famous quote by Tennessee Williams, who says that there is only one thing which is worse than being a liar who is also a hypocrite. And I think Mamata Banerjee fits the bill perfectly to the T. She's both a liar and a hypocrite. Imagine more than 150 BJP Karyakartas killed in the last 5 to 6 years alone. And then Mamata Banerjee's confidant, Sukhendu Roy,
No, you
has
must
the
know
audacity
what is called
to call
hypocrisy.
BJP workers outsiders.
Do you know what is
And
hypocrisy?
Please now let me complete.
Hypocrisy
let me
is when
complete when you
BJP
rebut.
government
Let me complete
does
when you
not go
rebut.
to meet
Do not get
farmers
excited.
40
Niranjan,
minutes
this is
away
not fair. You will
in
have to
Delhi,
ask this
and
gentleman
they
to
come
keep
here in
quiet. I'm
Bengal
making
to
a
collect
point.
rice from
I'm
farmers'
making a
house
point.
just because
Fine. Fine, continue speaking.
there are
Niranjan, this is
elections
not
Tausif, pull
done.
back 30 seconds. Tausif, pull back 30
This is
seconds.
not
Give us 30
done.
seconds
Why
more,
is this
Tausif.
man butting in the middle?
Okay, Tausif, pull back 30 seconds. Tausif, I'm letting
Stop
everyone
being
speak.
uncouth.
30
Let me
seconds.
complete.
What is hypocrisy?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, now let me tell you one more thing.
30 seconds,
please stop
Tausif,
being a
calm down, I'll
background,
give you your time.
tape recorder. Let me complete. Niranjan, the fact of the matter is that, people
No, is it
who
my
make
turn to say? Is it my turn
large-hearted
to talk?
comments about how BJP is prone to violence, these are the same people. Mamata Banerjee, tell me, are you kidding me? In 2016, we had the Boshirhat riots. In 2017, we had the Bhaduria riots. In 2018, we had the Asansol riots.
Now your
In
30 seconds is over.
2019, we
Now I
had the
will speak.
anti-CAA riots.
Now-
In 2020,
Now your 30
in
seconds is
Bengal,
over.
we had the
Now let me
Bhadreshwar riots.
come in.
And Mamata Banerjee and her confidant has the audacity to take the moral high ground on violence. Excuse me, you're comparing BJP with the Razakars. Razakars were the militia of the erstwhile
BJP must not
Nizam of
talk about
Hyderabad,
violence
who
because we have
butchered
seen what
villagers,
BJP has done in
raped and
Badaun,
maimed
what BJP
women
has
and
done in
children.
Hathras
I'm
rape
not
case.
surprised
So the
that
lesser
Sukhendu
BJP
Roy
tries to be
chose
a
to
saint,
take the
better it is
example
for
of
them.
Razakars.
They
Okay,
must
listen,
not
let's stick
talk
to
about
Bengal.
violence.
Tausif, stick to Bengal and rebut. Stick to Bengal and respond.
Let me ask you one more thing. What have
Yes,
you done for
yes.
Netaji Subhash Chandra
Yes,
Bose?
if
You
she
recently
only
said
allows
we
me
want
to
declare
speak.
January 23rd
Now
as a holiday.
this
In the last
BJP
10
spokesperson
years,
was
in the
talking
last
about
10
Okay, Sanju,
hypocrisy.
concede. Sanju,
Let
concede.
me remind her what is
Sanju,
hypocrisy.
concede and you can come back later. Hold up.
What did you do to uphold
What is
Netaji's
hypocrisy?
legacy in the last 10 years?
The
Mamata
BJP
Banerjee
spokesperson was talking about hypocrisy.
where
I will
she
tell you what is
lost the
Sanju,
hypocrisy.
concede. Let him make
Hypocrisy
his
is
point
when the
because I have a
BJP
counter
leaders
question as well
do not find
lined up.
time.
As per your definition, is the outsider. Am I right, Prashant Kishore's
Hypocrisy
home
is when
state
BJP
Bihar?
leaders do
Why
not
has
go
he
to
been made
the
vice president of Trinamool
protesting
Congress?
farmer at the
If
Delhi
you
border
call BJP
and they
as
find time to
outsiders,
come to Bengal
answer my
and go
question.
from house to house
Prashant
seeking
Kishore,
one chawal,
whose home
one muthi
state
chawal from
is
farmers
Bihar,
and telling them
why
as
has
if they
he
care
been
for them. They
appointed
don't care for
as the
them.
vice
More than
president of
55
Trinamool
people
Congress? Why
More
do
than
when you speak over
55
each other,
farmers have
nobody
died.
can be heard.
These are people who have families.
Nobody can be
Father,
heard.
mother, they have lost their children.
Sanju and Tausif, nobody
Daughters
can be
have
heard.
lost their father.
You know, the debate started off really well, but it's sort of, all over the place if you speak over each other.
Outsider debate.
Okay, Sanju, calm down. Sanju, let's not speak over each other, right? Okay, I have a counter question. I have a few points to make and a counter question, okay? Raki Mitra, I'll give you your turn once again, Sanju. It's a long debate. It will go all the way up to 11, okay? Raki Mitra. Okay, I just lost the line with Raki Mitra there. But let me bring in Shishir Bajoria and Joydeep Mukherjee, okay? Shishir Bajoria and Joydeep Mukherjee. I'm going to put some facts on the table. Okay. Shishir and Atikur Rahman. Okay, Shishir and Atik. Shishir, Trinamool, right from its embryonic stage, right? I'm talking about the incidents of violence. Violence in 2007 Nandigram movement. 1,000 workers allegedly died ahead of the 2011 assembly elections. CPM leaders killing in 2012. MLA Pradeepta ransacked a university in 2013. 3 people killed in an alleged bid by TMC to recapture a village in 2014. Makra village in Birbhum. During the 2015 municipal elections. During the 2016 assembly elections. Violence in January 2017. When TMC workers allegedly attacked the BJP headquarters following the arrest of Sudip Bandopadhyay. Ahead of Panchayat elections in 2018. In Malda, where Rizwanur Rahman was caught in the crossfire. Violence during the polling of the Lok Sabha elections. Voters in Basirhat and Jadavpur held protests accusing TMC workers of capturing booths, where a protester allegedly went on to say, we went to the police to complain against them, but Trinamool Congress supporters stopped us. Now I can go on and on. Right? Because violence, you can write a full chapter, a full book perhaps on the violence in Bengal, Atik. Now, suddenly, we seem to have lost all issues in Bengal and we are back to violence. We're talking about violence and picking up weapons. Is there no other issue in Bengal?
May I come in? Niranjan?
Niranjan, we all know.
May I come in?
May I respond?
Atik, and then you can respond, sir.
May I respond first, please?
Atik first, and then Mr. Bajoria, you can respond to Atik.
Violence has been very
first and you can respond. Yeah.
Violence has been very intrinsic to Bengal politics. Now, herein what violence is to Bengal, RSS stands for the whole of India. It is the tradition in India to follow in the footsteps of the big brother, and herein the monopoly of the big brother RSS is getting, somewhat erupted with the Bengal politics. They think so. Because BJP is trying to have some foothold in Bengal, and without violence they think that this is not possible. I am completely in agreement with Mr. Bhavik, and I am fed up with these Bengal politics and violence, because the election commission, even if there is no declaration of the election so far, why can't the election commission or some statutory authority take cognizance of this, hate propaganda? Because Mr. Bhavik is saying that violence will be 100% sure in these elections. Herein, we the people of India do not wish to see violence amid the COVID pandemic.
He's a senior journalist. He knows
elections
Bengal
is
very
the
well.
celebration of democracy, Niranjan. That's what. Why not so motivate?
But he's making a point. He's making
by some Supreme
having
Court
seen Bengal,
or the
he's
election
worried.
commission? Even we are worried, Niranjan.
Now, what is wrong here? Are you
worried.
questioning
Now,
him,
this
or what are you saying?
Comment, Niranjan. Niranjan, this outsider comment, the RSS pinpoints to every minority to be an outsider. So the best people on earth to explain the outsider thing will be the RSS and the BJP.
Don't twist it.
who
Atik,
they
that's a
think
nice,
are the,
that's a nice
are
little
the
spin you gave there.
outsiders.
Atik,
We
nice
have
little
been
spin you gave there.
always-
That's not the outsider.
always
Tathagata Roy is saying something.
pointed
Tathagata Roy is
as
coming in.
you are outsiders,
Tathagata Roy is
the
responding to you.
minority.
Nice little spin you gave there, Atik. Outsider, nice spin to the outsider comment, but Atik, Tathagata Roy is responding to you.
Forgetting very conveniently. He is forgetting very conveniently 16th August 1946, the great Calcutta killings, in which an estimated number of 15,000 people died. Was it waged by the RSS? It was waged by the Muslim League. And that tradition has continued. Trinamool Congress, before that CPM, has continued that tradition. Only there was a small lull during the period of
So you are
Dr. Bidhan
following
Chandra
the
Rai.
legacy of
Mr.
the
Atikur
Muslim
Rahman
League.
is very
Mr. Roy, you are
very,
following
very
the legacy of the
conveniently
Muslim League.
forgetting.
Shame on you.
He is-
Shame on you. At that point, Niranjan, there was no
No,
constitution of
you
India.
are.
Niranjan,
You are.
at that time, there was no constitution
You
of
are.
India.
You
The
are
RSS
forgetting
followed the
Muslim
legacy of
League.
the Muslim League.
Mention Muslim
Of
League.
course.
Mention Muslim League.
Established now, Niranjan.
Mention Muslim League.
Established.
Don't forget
The
No, no.
Muslim League.
follows
No,
the
don't make it
legacy of
communal
the
now, come on.
Muslim
League
So
did.
what Muslim
What?
No, no, listen, listen, listen.
Not only in
1947
Calcutta,
was
they
the
did in
RSS stood
Noakhali.
for
They did
violence
all
for
over East
India.
Bengal.
Mr.
Not
Roy, you
required.
are
Taking a turn for the worse.
forgetting
Taking a turn for the
You
worse.
are conveniently forgetting that
Can I come in?
Constitution was not there in 1947.
Niranjan, can I come in, please?
Yeah, Mr. Bajoria.
Mr. Roy, Mr. Roy.
Mr. Bajoria and Shubham. Mr. Bajoria and Shubham can come in. Okay.
Muslim League that
Let
way.
me come in.
Wonderful.
Before my friend starts rattling, he goes off like a train leaving a platform. Now,
Yeah, come in, Mr. Bajoria. Mr. Bajoria. Mr. Bajoria hasn't
yes,
spoken yet.
can you
Okay,
hear me?
Mr. Bajoria.
Yes, Bengal rejects violence is a perfect hashtag. The hashtag
Yes, I can hear you.
people of Bengal have rejected violence and TMC. What did Sudhanshu Shekhar Roy
Sir,
say
in that case,
today?
can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question, Mr. Bajoria, in that case?
Yes, sir.
Can I ask you a question and you can start? Can I, with your permission, ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bajoria, my question is to Mr. Bajoria, okay? Completely agree, this entire debate is based on what the Trinamool Congress parliamentarian has said. But I want to ask you, Mr. Bajoria, because BJP promised Parivartan in Bengal, now what Parivartan did you promise when your own leaders are joining the likes of the left in Trinamool in building a legacy of political violence? I'll tell you why I'm asking that question. Because I have to ask you this question because there are some leaders in your party, okay? Is it true or not that West Bengal BJP chief Dilip Ghosh said on the 26th of December, our hands and feet are functional and if we are forced to use them, we'll retaliate in such a manner that they won't have enough bandages to tend to their wounds. Very similar, don't you think, to what Sukhendu Shekhar Roy said? Okay, Mr. Bajoria.
Can I respond? Can I respond? First of all,
And then
he
Joydeep
did
will
not
respond.
promise Parivartan. Parivartan
Yeah, that's
was
to you.
the
The question
slogan
was
of
to you.
Trinamool
Yes.
Congress.
This topic,
Hey, please ask
this
this.
very
Please
topic.
ask this locomotive to stop. Hey, please. Yeah, my young friend, please stop. Please stop. Please
You
stop.
stop, sir. The country needs
Now-
young people like us. The country needs young people like us. The country
Yes,
is
yes,
fast.
I know.
The
That
country
is why I
moving
said
fast,
I
not
called you a
slow,
young
sir.
friend. Please stop. Don't waste time. Now, as far as the Parivartan is concerned, this was a slogan of the Trinamool
so I
who
was-
said we will
yeah.
bring Parivartan. And what Bodal Chai Bodlana, that means we want a change, but we do not want to take badla from others. But what did they do?
That was the
killing
Trinamool
after
slogan,
killing
sir,
after killing.
that we
and now
want
the
change,
MP
not
says,
revenge. Your
"Jo
very state
bhi kadam
president-
utha
your very
sakenge."
state president,
What did
Mr.
Mamata
Dilip
Banerjee
Ghosh,
say
your
today?
MP
What
from
did Mamata
Medinipur
Banerjee say?
says,
She is now in
"Badalao
such a
hobe,
mental
badalao
pressure
hobe."
that she even got
What badalao do you want
confused
to
that
take,
she is
sir?
the ruling party.
From whom do
It
you
is
want
for
to
her
take
to
this
lose
badla,
the
sir?
election.
Shubham
It
is
for
also
BJP
responding.
to
Shubham
win the
is on the right.
election.
Shubham.
It is not for us to lose the election.
Yeah,
Number
yeah, yeah.
one.
What-
and
which
Ranjan,
defense do you
in the
want to
long
take?
list of violence
This
which you
Dilip
read
Ghosh,
out, you
who says
forgot
that
to
he
read
will
out one
send-
most
he
important
will
violence.
send white clothes to
30th
the
November
families, to the wives of
2006.
policemen,
30th
to
November
the frontline
2006.
COVID warriors.
The Temple of
Aren't you
Democracy,
promoting
the Vidhan
violence
Sabha
yourself?
was vandalized
Your leader,
by
Raju Banerjee,
by the
says that
members
he
of
will
Trinamool
shoot,
Congress
he will
under the
shoot
leadership
people.
of the
No, it is
opposition
true.
leader,
It is
Srimati
true.
Mamata
Aren't you-
Banerjee.
aren't you
Vandalized
Sir, it is
the-
true.
uh,
Mr. Bajoria, whether you like it or not.
That is where
Mr. Bajoria,
No, let me be very clear. Why aren't you taking any disciplinary action against these
Mr. Bajoria,
people?
Mr. Bajoria, you will have to because you started off by saying, Joydeep, take a step back. Take a step back. 20 more debates on the debate. Joydeep, pull back, my friend. I'll give you time. Hold on. Now, pull back. Let me, because Mr. Bajoria started off. I was supposed to ask a question, sir. 1 minute. Raki Mitra can come in. With Shubham Ganguly. My question was to the BJP and those supporting the BJP and questioning the Trinamool. Because Mr. Bajoria mentioned that the hashtag is perfect because Bengal rejects violence. Now, we feel that both sides must back off. And I'll tell you why, Raki. You can take the first, question and then he can come in. Shubham can come in. Is it true or not that the BJP Vice President on the 13th of October, while speaking about the killing of his own party workers, said, if the culprits are not tracked and arrested, we will be forced to take a different path. We will first protest, then resist, and ultimately retaliate. Now, I'm asking a very relevant question. If you are completely rejecting violence, then both sides must be answerable. Raki Mitra and then Shubham can come in.
Yeah, Niranjan, let me first tell you, what was said from BJP side, that's called self-defense, which comes under IPC 96 to 106. A person has the right to self-defend.
Oh.
Any person has. You go on killing people. And then you say that we do not have the right to self-defense. That's number one. Number two is when Mr. Shukhendu Roy, the honorable MP, just wait. TMC people should learn to listen first. Do not go on ranting. Do not rant.
If this is what you are citing,
first learn to listen. Do not rant like your supremo, please.
You are giving the license
when your honorable MP and a lawyer himself is
Shubham Ganguly was supposed to respond. Joydeep,
action be initiated against him. Why shouldn't IPC 153, 153A not be initiated
Shubham and Raki, Shubham.
Are your leaders telling that the frontline COVID warriors should be shot at sight? Are you telling that? The frontline COVID warriors should be shot at sight? Is the BJP telling that? And if the BJP isn't telling that, why aren't these leaders being penalized? Why are these leaders
what
being
are you
taken
saying?
Against? Why isn't any
Shubham, where are you going? What are you saying?
These leaders? Dilip Ghosh says that Ami Shada Than patiye dobo. He will send white clothes.
Barrister Kabir Shankar Bose. I lost the line with Raki Mitra. Kabir Shankar Bose.
Trinamool Congress was all in. The Trinamool Congress.
Kabir Shankar Bose and Joydeep. Kabir Shankar Bose can come in.
No Trinamool leader made such statement ever. Mamata Banerjee didn't make such statement either.
Niranjan,
what have you got?
Niranjan, firstly,
what are you saying?
Let's have a healthy debate.
No, what are you saying? No Trinamool Congress leader made such a statement.
Who is continuously intervening?
Kabir Shankar Bose.
Who is continuously intervening to have patient ears? You are giving everyone an equal chance. Please ask my young friend Shubham.
Gather your argument, Shubham. Calm down. Let Kabir Shankar come in. Yeah.
Niranjan, I'm watching on your screens. I just now saw a flash that Kabir Bose's car.
Kabir, go ahead. Kabir, go ahead.
That's me, Kabir Bose. In Bengal, I just now saw on the screen that you had flashed that Kabir Bose's car vandalized. That's my car. I am the person whose car was vandalized, and I faced a mob of over 500 people. Bengal.
Yeah, we remember those pictures. Go ahead. We'll play those pictures out as well.
RSS has been blamed. BJP has been blamed. Let me remind Mr. Atikul as well that TMC is the only party in power in one state. There are other states where BJP is in power and the RSS is a worldwide organization. Do not throw allegations without substantiation. There is no violence in any other state except for West Bengal, where violence today is unprecedented. The only way out is to instill a sense of fear. And that is what the TMC government is trying, and that is why violence is unprecedented. Our cars are damaged, we are attacked at every moment. What is Shubham talking about frontline COVID warriors? I myself had filed a case in Calcutta High Court where a lot of figures were fudged. COVID figures were not original, they were fudged. People were not getting relief. The guidelines of the central government were not being implemented. This is all selfish politics going on in West Bengal. only
No,
for
does
vote bank
that
politics.
give the BJP
Actual politics
leaders
does
in
not play
Bengal a
out.
license to call to shoot the policemen? No. Just tell me, sir. Just tell me, sir. You're a learned person. Just tell me, does that give the BJP leaders a license to call for the shooting of policemen in the state? Does that give them the license? And what are you talking
Sanju
about?
Verma wants to come in. Sanju Verma. Sanju Verma on the left. Sanju Verma and Shubham.
No. The Hathras incident which took place. The Hathras incident which took place in Uttar Pradesh. One accused his name was Sandeep. His father is an active BJP
Sanju Verma is coming in. Sanju Verma on the left.
Kuldeep Sengar. After he was led. After Kuldeep Sengar was led.
Why are you talking about Hathras? We're on Bengal. It's a debate about Bengal.
Victim's entire family.
What is this man
after
talking?
That he was. After that.
Can I come in please, Niranjan? I see the two gentlemen on the...
After that
now,
he was
Shubham
suspended,
Ganguly, we
I am
heard
talking
you.
about the
Shubham
BJP.
Ganguly, we
I am
heard
talking about the
you. Now let me tell you one thing.
Shubham, take a step back. Gather yourself. Gather your arguments. You're talking about Uttar Pradesh. The debate about Bengal.
Can you ask this man to please hold his horses?
Do you have the guts to do a rally?
Can you stop it? Can you now listen to what I have to say? Niranjan, this is not fair. Either law is fair or I'm not going to scream over this man. He's going on and on and on and on.
Joydeep, okay. Shubham, you need to take a step back, my friend. Joydeep is coming in. Joydeep hasn't spoken. Joydeep and Sanju. Okay, language. Joydeep on the right. Yeah, okay. Joydeep, now listen to Sanju, you can respond. Listen to Sanju first, Joydeep. Listen to Sanju and then you can respond.
In the last 34 years, we have fought against the CPIM party. And the CPIM party killed our 18,000 cadre of the TMC party. So never the Trinamool Congress.
Niranjan, this is not fair. Let him speak. I will speak after he's done.
Joydeep, you want to listen to her and then respond, Joydeep?
This is unfair.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Why are you not lowering his fader? Why is his fader not being lowered?
They are coming from the
do I have to keep screaming to make myself heard?
In the different parts of the Bengal, and they are creating
fine. Let him speak. I will not speak unless you lower this man's fader. I've been waiting patiently. This is not fair.
Why you will tolerate this type of person? Those who are creating problem in our state, Islamic state, and those who are creating the outside who are coming and
now can I come in,
Niranjan?
Can I come in, please? Why do you have me on the debate if you are going to allow every other person when I want to speak?
Those who are
I thought you conceded. You said you'll respond to what he says, so you can respond now.
We are from one state, an outsider in another state. Niranjan, I had a very basic question for the Trinamoolis. Is a citizen of India from one state, an outsider in another state? Is a Gujarati an outsider in West Bengal? Or is a Rohingya an outsider, a Rohingya?
Tausif, is your question to Tausif?
Harboring.
Katakata Roy, is your question to Tausif?
Rohingya.
He spoke about Kuldeep Singh Sengar. I have just one question. Niranjan, I have one question for Shubham Ganguly.
Your channel almost
okay, your question is
like a fish market.
Shubham, okay, your question is to Shubham. Okay, you can ask him.
Shubham Ganguly, now listen very carefully. Shubham Ganguly, now hold your horses and listen. You claimed that
Sanju Verma to Shubham Ganguly. Sanju Verma to Shubham.
Let me tell you, we did not shield or protect. Yeah, we did not shield or protect Kuldeep Sengar. He's serving a jail term. Now let me ask you one question.
After you
Mamata Banerjee being a woman, Mamata Banerjee being a woman in 2012, when Suzette Jordan was gang raped, Mamata Banerjee said,
her lawyer was killed, her uncle was killed, her sister was killed, her aunt was killed. She was a loose woman. She was made into going to an accident.
She was made who did it?
Who did it? Do you
this
think
was
it's
a statement made in 2012 by Mamata Banerjee when Suzette Jordan was gang raped. Unfortunately, she died in 2015. You should be ashamed of yourself. Stop being an apologist for a Gunda party like Trinamool Congress. Did Mamata Banerjee apologize to Suzette Jordan when she was alive?
I want to tell you, sir, ma'am, I know you are very concerned about women's
without
safety
getting
as you are.
justice. So do not come and give us a bhashan on Kuldeep Sengar. We did not shield Kuldeep Sengar. You are sitting here and shielding Mamata Banerjee, who mocked the rape victim. She mocked the rape victim called Susan Jordan. So please do not take the moral high ground. Why did Mamata Banerjee not implement?
What does Hathras have to do with Bengal? No, every time we speak about Bengal. No, 1 second, please. Okay, you know what, Sanju, just pull back for a minute. Pull back for a minute. Tathagata Roy and Tausif. Okay, just pull back because I don't want to talk about Hathras or Kuldeep Sengar because we've covered all those stories. Yeah, we fought, we made sure that there was enough pressure for Kuldeep Sengar to face action. Tathagata Roy, okay. Tathagata Roy and Tausif. What was your question, sir? You want to ask that question again? Tausif will respond to it. Because we missed the first part of that question, Mr. Roy.
Very simple question. Is a citizen of India from another state outside his or her state? This is the question I'm asking to Trinamool. Because they are all the time talking about outsiders. Bohiragoto. Who on earth is a Bohiragoto? Who is an outsider? A citizen of India from another state, sitting in West Bengal. Is he an outsider? Answer that question. Is a Rohingya an outsider? Answer that question.
Even a class 10 student knows that coming from a different state does not make you an outsider in another state as long as you are within the territory of India. The question here is
Shukhendu Shekhar Roy talking about it?
That I really hoped that people like you would already know. People like you who has been a governor of a state must already know the answer. The answer is the mentality. The answer is the lack of connect with the people of Bengal and lack of connect with the culture of Bengal. Culture of Bengal is about inclusion. Culture of Bengal is about communal harmony. Culture of Bengal is about Rabindranath Tagore. Culture of Bengal is about the teachings of Vivekananda, teachings of Qazi Nazrul Islam, teachings of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, which unfortunately people like you do not understand, do not follow. This is the most unfortunate scene that we are facing today, that people who are as qualified as you do not get a very simple point that
it is laid down in the Indian Constitution. Who is an outsider? Who is a citizen of India? Why are you beating about the bush and bringing in Tagore and Vivekananda?
The teaching of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. It is your party man who says that the Jana Gana Mana written by Rabindranath Tagore must be changed. It is your party who that the national anthem of Rabindranath Tagore must be changed. It is
okay, just pull back, Tausif.
It is people from your party who think that they
you've responded to Mr. Tathagata Roy.
So as to go.
You've responded to Mr. Tathagata Roy. I want to say something. You've responded to Mr. Tathagata Roy. I want to bring in Mr. Bhaumik. No, Mr. Bhaumik and Rocky Mitra. Okay. I just want to make a point to all our panelists.
Who is BJP's leader?
You speak about the culture of Bengal.
In
you invoke my friend Tausif, my friend, you invoked Rabindranath Tagore, you invoked, Vidyasagar. Mr. Bhaumik, going by the tempo of this debate and going by everything that's been happening in Bengal over the last few years, Tausif, let me speak, man. I haven't made my point. Just calm down. I want to ask a question to Mr. Bhaumik. He's the only one very calmly sitting down and listening to all of you fight and speak over each other. Now, tell me, this culture that we speak about, Mr. Bhaumik, you just spoke about what you have witnessed since the 70s and how, in the year 2021, nothing seems to have changed in Bengal. Look at the culture of violence. Isn't it the culture of violence and the discourse of Trinamool seems to be that of violence when, there is a video of a Trinamool Congress leader at a rally saying, allegedly, wherever you see BJP, I tell you, you beat them up and make them run away. They should know we don't accept them here. Comment number one. Comment number 2. Isn't it culture of violence? When Trinamool Congress ahead of the general elections in May 2019, a leader called Anubrata Mandal was reportedly seen threatening central forces, saying, "I salute central forces, but if they enter the booths, we will not spare them. If they try to scare you, we will take care of them. If they raise fingers, you pull it down." Isn't it culture of violence when in the discourse of the Trinamool, when doctors across Bengal were protesting and one of the house staff of the Murshidabad Medical College had reportedly alleged that some Trinamool Congress leaders demanded that we lift the strike, they abused, even threatened to kill us. Because somebody mentioned frontline workers, and that's why I'm bringing this up. Mr. Bhowmik, what's going on?
Yeah, right. Now, Bengal's politics, the violence has always been there. But the point I tried to make at the very beginning of this debate was that there are situations like Tathagata Roy talked about 46, that was different, it was a religious violence. 71, it was intense ideological violence. Naxalite, CPM, and then finally Congress. Now, that was the kind of violence, if you remember, many of my Bengal friends here would have seen, Kolkata Ekattor, the famous film by Mrinal Sen. Point I'm trying to make here is that there is once in a while, especially when political competition gets very intense, an outburst of violence which becomes uncontrollable. Now, till such time violence can be controlled, it's fine. You will have one outburst here or an outburst there, but it can be controlled, it's fine. What I'm worried about this time is I see the Ides of March, as Shakespeare had said, I see the Ides of 1971, a sort of coming back of that kind of uncontrollable kind of a violence thing spilling out of control. And the reason is that, here, and I'm very surprised to see that no political party is actually going to town say,
I'll let Sanju Verma have the last word on the debate, Mr. Bhowmik, when you're done.
Let's come up with a consensus to prevent violence. Is anyone saying that? No. Somebody is saying, somebody is saying...
Okay, Rakhi, 30 seconds.
No, this is something that
Rakhi, 30 seconds and then Sanju. Rakhi, quickly, 30 seconds. I'll give you 30 seconds and I'm bringing Sanju. Sanju will have the last word. You'll get 30 seconds. Rakhi, 30 seconds and then I'll bring in Sanju. 30 seconds. Sanju, I'm trying to accommodate everyone. Calm down.
West Bengal
okay, 30 seconds, Rakhi.
When it was free for all. Do you see any action from the side of BJP, or is the violence being promoted only by TMC? That's number one. So it's not free for all, it's free for TMC. These people who have been killed in the last few months, they are all BJP supporters. The Honorable MP says, Shukhendu Das says, he's an Honorable MP, he says in an ABP debate that outsiders are only those people who are with BJP. That is what he said in an ABP debate. That means all people who are with BJP are outsiders. So isn't this just like that when you municipality or corporation workers, when they go to catch those rabid dogs, they show their teeth? Isn't it what we are seeing of TMC now?
Okay. Last word on the debate to Sanju Verma. Last word of the debate to Sanju Verma. Sanju Verma, will you also assure that the BJP leaders don't make such comments?
Okay. Niranjan, I just want to say, first of all, thank you for giving me the last word. I want to say one thing, Niranjan. The fact of the matter is that let no one forget, from a vote share of barely 4% in 2011, we climbed to a modest 10.3% in 2016. But in the Lok Sabha elections of 2019, when we won 18 seats, our vote share was a solid 41%. Because the Narendra Modi-led government does not believe in outsider versus insider, Bengalis versus Biharis or Bengalis versus Gujaratis. Our forte is development, good governance. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas is not rhetoric or a platitude. We believe that it is a work ethic. And the fact of the matter is that in the last 10 years, Mamata Banerjee has not delivered. Let me tell you that in 2017, of 822 incidents of communal violence, 111 people were killed, of which 58 people were killed in Bengal alone. Who is Prashant Kishore? He's a native of Bihar. So before lecturing others on insiders versus outsiders, first take action on the ground. Why did you make Prashant Kishore a vice president of Trinamool Congress? If you believe in this insider versus outsider theory. And last but not the least, Mamata Banerjee has not implemented Ayushman Bharat. She's not implemented PM Kisan Yojana, whereas JP Nadda on 9th January said BJP will visit 40,000 gram panchayats in West Bengal. We will ensure that we collect one muthi chawal. Ek muthi chawal ka sangharsh is what BJP believes in to empower farmers. We will ensure that Krishak Bhoj is conducted between 27th and 31st January all across Bengal.
Running out of time completely. Run out of time completely. Sanju Verma, Tathagata Roy, Raki Mitra, Shishir Bajoria, Barrister Kabir Shankar Bose, Subir Bhomik, Joydeep Mukherjee, Tausif Ahmad Khan, Shubham Ganguly, Atikur Rahman. Before I end, I wanted to make a comment. I wanted to say something to all of you. Hear me out, hear me out. It's a fantastic story. It's an anecdote. I want to tell you something. I want to tell all of you something. I want to tell all of you something. Hear me out for 10 seconds. You know, in the course of our efforts to bring up Republic Bangla, to launch Republic Bangla, we've been speaking to a lot of people. We've had over 10,000 applications come in from Bengal and across the world, and from the people of Bengal across the world. You have to hear their stories. You have to hear their stories and their backgrounds and how many people are applying because they feel Republic is an opportunity. They're all waiting for opportunities. And let me tell you, when Republic Bangla launches, we will, God willing, we can assure our viewers, we promise you that we will portray the real picture of Bengal, which we feel is hidden. I just wanted to say that one point, make that one point before we end the debate. Thank you for joining us. Arnab will be back tomorrow. Till then, good night and goodbye.